How to list business on TripAdvisor. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can simply add and list your business or the local into TripAdvisor and make it well known and also visitable. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to visit TripAdvisor right there. And then you're going to set everything from the right website. For example, for the region, here I am going to use it internationally. So you are going to set it right here to .com. And then you are going to select the region. After you have did that, you're going to drop down a little bit right there into the footer of the website. And then we have some menus. Right there we have do business with us. Here we have the option to select the owner page. So we are going to click on owners and here we have a page which will let you claim your listing. As you can read, manage your business presence, track performance, and engage new customers with free products from Advisor. And these free products will let you take full control of your listing, respond to the customer reviews if they have added to your business, for example, an apartment or something like that, or studio, and you can also track your performance. You can get the access key insight to help you analyze, build on your performance. Now, these are some frequently or FAQ questions that you can go ahead and read, and also you can visit the help center if you have any troubles within the platform. Now, all we need to do is to set the name of the business. So I'm going to set a name for my business like Jack, right there, Jack, let's say Jack Barbershop, or Jack, like this. So go ahead and choose one of these. And for example, barbershop, I'm going to set a barbershop, and here you can go ahead and add a missing place. So we are going to add it, and this is for the unknown places. All of the businesses right there that has been named are so claimed, so you can't claim a claimed already business. So go ahead and add it right there, and here we have the first thing. Now, add a place. The first thing is to add a location detail, and the second thing is to add a contract and hour or contact and hours. For the location detail, you're going to set something. Let's say that we're going to put Jack's Spot. And this is the name of the location. Which category best describes this place? Here, things to do, accommodation, or a restaurant. I'm going to set things to do, which is, let's say right there what kind of place it is. Let's say and try if we have barbershop. It is a, let's say that it is a restaurant. I'm going to set it as a restaurant or accommodation as a right there. I'm going to rename the first thing from barbershop to Jack's home or something like that. So we are going to set as an inn or a motel or a vacation rental house. Go ahead and use what type of property you have, and here we have it. Now, if you want to add something else, you can go ahead and add one of these. I own a vacational, rental, or a tour company. For the address, you need to set the address manually. So we are going to set, for example, 13th Street, STR right there, or 45 like this. This is just a random street. For city, I'm going to set New York just for the sake of the video. This is not something that it is real. So right there, it will show you the map. You can go ahead and pin it or adjust the pin. For example, I'm going to set this like that. And here we have it. This pin has moved right there. Correct it. So we are going to set the pin. You can go ahead and use it or not. It is up to you. So for the postal code, it is optional. Right there, you are going to put the postal code. If you have all of the information, please fill these because you are going to need them in the future. Right there, are you an owner, employee, or an official representative of this place? I'm going to click on yes, I am. Email me with new reviews of this place with your proof of presence on this TripAdvisor and more. It is up to you, this is optional. So I'm going to click on save and continue. Now let's go to the second step. Here we have the location was saved and now under review. So they will review it and then they will give you the claiming of that in the website. Now, we're going to tell them more information about that place and also this business if you are running one. Now, for example, we have the contact info, like a website. If you have a website, you can go ahead and use it. And for this website, it is optional. It is not necessary or required. So if you have listed this apartment, for example, or a restaurant or bar or something like that, you're going to set the website that you have listed before. For example, if you did some promotional posting on Facebook or social media, you are going to set the link for it to make it a little bit appearing. Here we have the official phone number. You can add your phone number from there. And there we have the emails. Go ahead and add your email address. When you finish all of these steps, you are going to submit. And now thank you for adding your place. Once it's live, we will email you with the instruction to claim your listing. These instructions are usually set for, let's say, information, the properties, or the document or the official document of the properties, I think, maybe like that. Also, the right address, some video and photo proof of this address that you have it, and also of the right there. And then you are going to set after that the, let's say, the contact info for you. Also, you are going to set the prices, the availability of the price, and you are going to set a calendar for booking. Now let's go back to add a place and claim it. So we have did the accommodation, we have the restaurant and things to do. For example, for the restaurant, I have, let's say that I have what kind of place? A American, let's say American restaurant, Chinese, and also Italian, Japanese maybe, Japanese restaurants, all of these kind. So you can add some or something else. Right there, you are going to set the address manually. Go ahead and do the same thing that we did before for that one. So we are going to set another address, str. This is just an example. Here we are going to set Washington, DC, and the postal code. So I'm going to set this one, just the pin. This is not right there. So we are going to adjust that pin to this location. Right there, I'm going to set the name. Let's say that Jack's Bar. And then we're going to click on save and continue. Now you are going to set the website, the official phone, also the official email. For the hours, here you are going to set the hours of the booking or the operating hours. This is for the restaurants. As you can see, you can select Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right there, Friday and Saturday. You can go ahead and work 7 hours of 7. And the working hours, you can add some hours. For example, from 12 a.m. to, let's say right there, this one, like this, 11:45 p.m. You can add some more hours or you can open it for 24 hours. Here we have the hours of the employment or the operating hours. And this place can't be or hasn't opened yet. You select a tentative opening date. You can go ahead and set a opening ceremony and a opening event of that restaurant if it is something new. So you are going to set this and then you are going to click on submit. And here we have the option of the restaurant. Let's go ahead and add another place, and this time we're going to click on things to do. For example, I'm going to set here Jack's Entertainment. like that. And here we have it. Now, what kind of place is this? You have a menu here, for example, for wheel drive, ATV, off-road tours, and air tours, and etc. Go ahead and choose whatever you want. For example, shark diving. We have right there four-wheel and ATV, balloon rides, and etc. Go ahead and choose whatever suits you well. City tours, and etc. You can select up to 5 categories: cooking classes, culture day trips, coffee and tea tours. Here we have all the 5 categories that we have selected. Also, you can set the address like this, set it manually, for example, 88 STR, and the city you can go ahead and set, for example, San Diego, like this. Postal code, here I am a representative. Here you can pin it on the map, and then you are going to click on save and continue. Right there, the same thing, website, official web, right there, phone, and also the email. Set the hours and the date, and then you are going to click on submit. This is it. So we are going to see these, all of the claimed spots from hotels right there, things to do, restaurants, flights if you have a flight company, or if you have, for example, a flight agency that gets some reservation, or vacational rents, and then like that. So whenever a person go ahead and set entertainment, for example, let's say we are going to see right there Edinburgh. This is just an example of things to do on Edinburgh. Right there, they will see everything about the city. Also, they will see the categorization that you have set right there. For example, for the castles, you click on castles and you will see right there the listing that you own. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.